Solar charge controller is an electronic device that manages the power going into the battery bank from the solar array. There are numerous items accessible to the solar charge controller. Each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best solar charge controller from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Victron Smart Solar Charge Controller. By always monitoring the voltage and present output of your photovoltaic PV panels, MPPT expertise ensures that each drop of accessible energy is rinsed out of your panels and harvested for storage. A photovoltaic charger gathers vitality out of your photovoltaic panels and shops it in your batteries. Utilizing the newest, quickest expertise, Smart Solar maximizes this energy harvest. Anytime, anyplace, remotely management and monitor the intensive options of your Smart Solar MPPT photovoltaic cost controller with built-in Bluetooth by pairing it along with your smartphone or different machine by way of Victron Connect. The Victron Power Smart Solar cost controller will even recharge a severely depleted battery. It could actually function with a battery voltage as little as 0 volts, supplied the cells should not completely sulfated or in any other case broken. Number 2. Renogy Voyager 20A 12V24V PWM Waterproof Solar Charge Controller. The Voyager controller has a number of clever protections towards reverse polarity, overcost, short circuit, reverse present, overload, and over discharge, protecting your battery totally protected. With an IP67 rated waterproof design, the Voyager controller is appropriate for out-of-doors use and can stay totally operational when uncovered to water spray, rain, or condensation. The Voyager comes with an LCD show exhibiting correct and well-timed info, together with charging present, generated vitality, temperature, battery voltage, and error codes that enables customers to observe and management charging. The Voyager controller can mechanically sense 12V or 24V system voltage when paired with a gel, AM, or flooded batteries. It additionally comes with a lithium activation function. The Voyager controller is provided with superior sensible PWM expertise with excessive charging effectivity. It supplies 4-stage charging, bulk, absorption, float, and equalization to be able to shield the battery. Number 3. Level 30A Solar Charge Controller. The 12V cost controller photovoltaic is simply appropriate for lead-acid batteries. Open, AM, gel. Don't help every other batteries. Twin USB output, the utmost present of 2A, to help cell phone charging. Cost controller built-in industrial microcontroller for automatical administration, memorizing varied parameters set by the person, and the info will not be misplaced when the battery runs out. Appropriate with 12V 24V system. Cost controllers for photovoltaic panels with overcurrent and short circuit safety, inverse connection safety, low voltage and overcharge safety. 12V photovoltaic cost controller takes totally 3-stage PWM cost administration, enhance system effectivity, and delay the lifespan of the battery. The 12-volt cost controller ought to join the battery first, then the photovoltaic panel, and eventually the load. Please strictly observe the above order to entry. In any other case, it might injure the controller or different elements. The disassembly sequence is opposite to the wiring order. Number 4. 30 amp charge controller. 24 hours working management, gentle and twin time management. Controller automated temperature compensation and full safety, like reverse polarity, battery reverse, overheating over present, overload, low voltage lightning safety. Bulk, absorption, equalize, float. WSB output 5V2A and LCD show, with again lighting, exhibits the machine's working knowledge and dealing situation. 30A PWM photovoltaic controller, clever controller ready to decide on 12V 24V 36V 48V lead acid battery sealed, gel, flooded in lithium battery LiCOMNNIO2, LiFePO4. Number 5. MPPT solar charge controller. Clear to see working knowledge and dealing situation, actual time vitality statistics operate with a number of load management modes. MPPT photovoltaic cost controller show the each day energy error curve and present curve. Sealed gel AM flooded lithium battery person defined, 12V 24V 48V auto 36V should be adjusted by yourself. A number of safety measures towards overcharge, over discharge, overload, brief circuit, reverse polarity, over warmth and battery beneath voltage.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.